Now that your teeth are perfectly straight, we need to keep them this way. We do this by using retainers. There are two types of retainers that we use. The first is a tiny wire glued or bonded behind your bottom 6 front teeth. We call this your bondable or permanent retainer. The bonded or permanent retainer needs to be flossed daily using floss and floss threaders. Floss threaders are plastic and reusable until they break. You take a short piece of floss and thread it through the floss threader like a sewing needle. You then take the floss threader and thread it in between your teeth underneath your bondable wire. Once the floss is in between the teeth under the bondable wire, you then hug one side of the tooth and move the floss up and down 3 times. Then hug the other side of your tooth with the floss and move the floss up and down 3 times on the other side. The floss in the floss threader is then pulled through and reinserted between the next 2 teeth at the gums. The second type of retainer is a removable retainer. We call these clear or Essix retainers. They are clear and fit over your teeth similar to a contact lens. The clear retainer should be worn every night unless otherwise specified by our orthodontist. The Essix retainer should be cleaned each morning when you take it out of your mouth using a toothbrush and toothpaste. Place the retainer flat in the palm of your hand and brush it. Turn it over and brush it again. Then rinse it in water before placing it into your case. It is also very important to have clean teeth before inserting your retainer, as plaque on your teeth can also build up on your retainer. The Essix retainer is made from plastic, so please don't place it in boiling water or put it in the dishwasher. This will cause the retainer to warp or melt. Please do not soak it in mouthwash. The alcohol present in the mouthwash will cause the plastic to stain, dry out and crack, or become brittle. Please do not wrap the retainer in Kleenex, as it is not uncommon for retainers to get accidentally thrown out. Instead, always keep your retainer in the retainer case when you are not wearing it. If for some reason the Essix retainer is not fitting, please make an appointment for us to check it. Tight and uncomfortable retainers, or retainers that do not fit all the way in, are indications that your teeth are moving. If this is something that you're experiencing, wear your retainer as much as possible and give us a call to make an appointment so that we can check it.